Weil McClain boiler. Issue I'm having is, for some reason, I was wondering why I'm going through so many thermocouples. I had the flame turned down for the pilot to where it's barely even red at all, and it kicks on when it's supposed to. But the problem is, what I just noticed, is look at this freaking thermocouple. It's only like this when the furnace is on. Say, okay, it just clicked off. Now once it cools down, you won't even see that thing glowing. The furnace just kicked off. What I'm wondering is, why is that damn thing getting so hot? Is that normal? Because I'm going through thermocouples 2 months at the max, and they burn up. Any advice, please let me know. Appreciate it.